Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to this display and brightness, and then to the I care. Yes, I care a lot. So here you can switch this I care mode. I care about my vision, I care about my sight mode, and also you can change its intensity, and you can also set up a schedule for it. You can set it from custom time, like you can select start time and end time, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise, but you will have to grant an access to a location to this I care I care function. I care about your location function. So yeah, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.